Scoop, Robots and Leia, having a lot of fun.
Who's the fastest one?
They build the cars that are so good. Wheel, motor, and hood. Who brings the parts? It's Leo. Leo the truck.
Leo.
Leo the truck. The weather today is really warm and sunny. The cars and robots are playing tag near the fountain. I wonder who is it?
Tag, you're it.
Huh? Ah!
Run, robot! Run! Run!
You can't catch me.
Scoop doesn't want to be it. He's decided to hide in the middle of the recycling pile. Looks like someone else did, too.
Did you catch Scoop?
Phew. No one caught me. I'm just resting.
Everyone is super hot.
Okay, I'll bring some lemonade. Time to cool off a bit.
The van arrived just in time. It's supposed to deliver ice and ice cream.
Here's our ice.
Uh-oh, so much water. At least the robots are cool.
The ice must have melted.
And not only the ice.
The ice cream melted too. At least the kitten is happy about it.
I've got an idea. Let's turn the van into a refrigerator truck.
Refrigerator truck?
Refrigerator? A truck with a built-in fridge.
A truck with a fridge.
Let's put it together. The lemonade's ready.
Leo has brought all the new parts. Wheels. A chassis.
Oh. Huh? Hey.
Scoop is so thoughtful. He wants to give the kitten some water. When it's hot, we need to drink a lot of liquids. Take a look. The cabin goes on the truck chassis. A door on one side and the other. A bumper. Headlights. Now let's put together the truck's cargo area. It needs a refrigeration unit inside. The unit will be kept cold by chilled gas in the orange cooling lines. It's all in place. It just needs a compressor on top. Hey, robots, can you dig out the old fridge from the recycling pile? Let's do it together. Uh-oh, it's still stuck. The crane truck is helping out. A blue compressor. Will it work for us? It fits. Now let's put a vent cover over it. Here are the rear doors. And the rails for the front doors. All set. Ice will never melt in this truck. The red robot wants to go for a spin. Start the motor.
It doesn't feel so hot anymore.
Try and tag me.
You get hot fast when you run and play.
Hey!
After the cars finish playing tag, they're going to want something refreshing. It's good that there's ice now.
Ice! Thank you!
Wow, it didn't melt.
Who wants lemonade?
What if I have some hot cocoa? And some cookies!
Bon appetit to everyone.
Lifty and Scoop, Robots and Leia, having a lot of fun.
Who's the fastest one?
They build the cars that are so good. Wheel, motor, and hood. Who brings the parts? It's Leo. Leo the truck. Leo. Leo the truck.
Leo the truck and excavator Scoop are playing with a ball. Hi there, you two. Are you playing soccer? That's nice. And what's Leia doing?
Oh. Huh?
Hello.
Hello.
Huh?
How beautiful.
Leia is decorating the garden in front of her garage, and the robots are playing with their car.
Huh?
The red robot has found a ball. Oh, they've run over the flowers.
Hey, you! Stop!
Calm down. They're only flowers.
Leia has taken away all the toys because the robots weren't playing carefully.
You don't understand. Scoop, it's a Japanese garden. And here, there's going to be a fountain.
It's a very difficult thing to build, actually.
Leia has decided to draw how the fountain will look.
Like that.
Oh. Wow, that's beautiful.
Let's find the parts.
Oh, and I'll dig a hole. Just a little bit more. Oh dear, oh dear.
Scoop has hit a rock. The stone needs to be pulled out, but it's heavy.
Hi there. Can I help?
Help us pull.
The cars all pull together, but they can't shift it. What about if the robots help?
A bit more?
Hooray! They've got the rock out of the soil, and the crane will lift it out of the hole. The robot has put the rock next to the entrance to the garden. And here's Leo. He's brought the parts. Here's the reservoir of the fountain. That's where the water will be. Let's put some lights in to light the water up.
a pump. Some pipes for the water to flow through. And that's the base, which we will stack the beautiful stones on. Here they are. The robots are putting some stones round the edge.
Hooray! Let's turn it on.
It's not working.
Oh,
It looks like we forgot the water.
Which vehicle carries water?
The cement mixer? Huh?
mm-mm.
The gas tanker?
Oh. The water tanker.
The water tanker will pump water into the fountain.
Thank you!
Look, the fountain is working. Splashes.
Robot!
Now the cars will be able to have even more fun playing next to Leia's garage. They built a really beautiful fountain. Lifty and Scoop, robots and Leia, having a lot of fun.
Who's the fastest one?
They build the cars that are so good. Wheel, motor, and hood. Who brings the parts? It's Leo. Leo the truck. Leo. Leo the truck. This is the robot's house. It's very early in the morning. Robot, are you up already? Good morning. What's that? Surprise! The robot can't understand what it is. Hello there, robots. It's an egg with a surprise inside. Blue robot, drop the egg on the floor and crash! Aha! That's who's been decorating the eggs with surprises. It's Leia. And Leo is helping.
Hello, Leo! You have the parts?
Sure have.
You need to hide the things in the eggs.
Close them up. Let's go and hide the surprises.
Leo and Leia are going to hide the eggs with surprises. And their friends, Scoop, Lifty, and the robots are going to go on an egg hunt. Think where you're going to put the eggs.
Right. One egg here.
One egg goes here.
Oh,
Leia didn't like where Leo hid the egg. Too easy.
that's better.
They're all hidden.
Excavator Scoop is coming out of the garage.
Oh. Interesting.
Lifty has found his first surprise. Where are the robots taking their big egg?
Look what I've found!
Me too.
And the robots.
They're eggs with surprises.
Boys, let's open them.
Lifty, it's going to be great. What has Scoop got? A little wagon. And the robots? Parts of a track. And what has Lifty got? Another wagon.
Let's make the track.
Put the wagons on the rails.
And where are the other parts?
In the other eggs.
But you need to find them.
Hooray!
Everyone likes that idea. Off you go to find the surprises. Lifty is looking for eggs under the broken down car parts. Oh, something round. Is it an egg? It's a headlight.
Found it?
Yes, well done. Oh, and what is Scoop doing? He's not looking for eggs. Is he cooking?
I'm making my own surprise.
He's making chocolate eggs. Yummy. And there's another egg with a surprise.
Yay!
Careful, robot. Up you get. Leia, can you help the robots?
Robots, you're cold. There's nothing there. Warmer. Warmer. Colder. Very hot.
And the purple robot has found the egg. Time to open them all. A train. And what have you got, Lifty? A wagon. Rails. And a bridge.
Oh, but where's Scoop?
Surprise!
Scoop has brought his friends some delicious chocolate eggs.
Let's play with the train. Choo-choo!
What fun! I think everyone enjoyed this day full of surprises. Lifty and Scoop, robots and Leia, having a lot of fun.
Who's the fastest one?
They build the cars that are so good. Wheel, motor, and hood. Who brings the parts? It's Leo. Leo the truck.
Leo!
Leo.
Leo, the truck. This is Excavator Scoop's garage. I wonder what Scoop is planning to do. Leo is going to see Scoop. And it looks like the robots are off fishing.
Whoa.
Scoop is putting stones in a jar. Leo is very surprised.
Huh? Leo. Oh, I didn't see you there.
Hello, Scoop.
come on in.
Huh?
I want to make an aquarium.
That's why
Oh?
Scoop has stones, sand, and a jar.
I think the fish might find the jar a little small.
So,
Let's make a big aquarium.
a huge one.
A giant one.
Let's
Let's go.
This is Leia's garage.
Hello!
Good morning.
Where are they off to?
Friends have gone to the scrap heap. They're looking for glass for the aquarium walls.
Scoop, I found some.
Up.
Huh?
What's the matter, Leia?
Oh, I was scared for you guys. Did you... Have you smashed a window?
No.
We're putting together an aquarium.
Can I help too?
Well, okay.
I'll bring parts.
Huh?
Leia has driven off. And just as she's left, Lifty's arrived at the scrap heap.
Huh?
He doesn't know what's going on.
Wonderful. Lifty can do the lifting.
Hello, everyone. What needs lifting?
Parts for an aquarium. Leia will show you.
Lifty's gone to help Leia. The friends have taken care of their jobs very quickly. Leia is unloading the parts for the aquarium. Lifty is slowly collecting the glass from Leo's body. Be very careful so you don't break it. Time to put the parts together. First, let's put together a stand for the aquarium to rest on. Inside, there will be a yellow shelf. Now, let's put an air pump on top. Fish need oxygen to breathe in water. Some doors. Some wheels. A base for the aquarium. 4 braces. Some glass. A blue top. A fish feeder. A lamp. Sand and stones for decoration.
Huh?
Oh?
Look what I've brought.
It's a full watering can.
And me.
Lifty's brought some shells.
Whoa.
Wow!
It's so
Wow.
pretty. The friends are taking the aquarium and its stand into Scoop's garage.
The fish will definitely love it here.
Where are the fish then?
Look, the robots are back from their fishing trip.
Aren't you going to lend us some fish?
Oh, the robots think that Lifty wants to cook the fish.
No.
They want to put the fish in the aquarium. Let's turn on the lamp for the fish. Very pretty.
But I think I'd add more shells.
That means it's time to go to Seashell Island.
Everyone's driven off to find seashells. Only Scoop has stayed behind to watch his fish.
Lifty and Scoop, robots and Leia, having a lot of fun.
Who's the fastest one?
They build the cars that are so good. Wheel, motor, and hood. Who brings the parts? It's Leo. Leo the truck. Leo.
Leo, the truck. This is Excavator Scoop's house. I wonder what Scoop is doing this evening. Can you hear? Someone is here, rustling.
Who's there?
Scoop, are you scared? Is someone hiding in the boxes?
Who's there? Huh? Huh?
Someone's rustling and bumping about again. It's making Scoop really frightened. You're trying to hide behind the fridge?
Scoop! Scoop! Hi there, Sleepy. Let's go and play.
Leo, Scoop didn't sleep well last night. Someone was rustling around his house.
What were you doing here all night? Eating?
I wish. Someone was rustling around here. I wanted to find them.
It's hard to search in the dark. You can't see anything. Why didn't you take a torch?
Leo the truck has gone to find the parts to make a torch.
Oh. Oh.
That's the first part. Look, and another one.
Huh? Hi there. What are you making?
A cure for insomnia.
If Excavator Scoop finds who is rustling about his house, he won't be afraid anymore and will be able to sleep.
Okay, hold this.
Leia wants to help her friends too.
Hi there.
Look what we found.
Parts for a torch. The casing. It looks like a tube. The front end is a bit wider. That's the part that lights up. The cap for the other end. The reflector, a little mirror which will reflect all the light forwards. And here's the lamp. The lamp is covered with a piece of protective glass. The switch.
Look at this. Someone's footprints.
Huh? Now let's have a look. Oh. Huh?
Oh,
The cars forgot about the battery.
Hi there. Oh, look what I've got.
Why do you need a torch in the daytime, guys?
Scoop's house has a problem with rustlers. That's strange.
Have you got any batteries?
Take your pick.
This one's too thin.
Huh?
Nope. This one is just right.
Put the batteries on the torch.
Oh, it seems to be working.
Thank you, Lifty.
The torch is working, which means they can go to Scoop's house to search for the rustler.
Look.
You look.
A hole.
That's how the rustler got into the house.
Today, I'm going to catch them.
Can I help catch them too?
Huh?
And me.
But I'm scared.
Don't be scared. We've got a torch.
It's getting dark outside. Scoop has switched on the torch. Time to find the rustler.
A ball! Hey, Scoop, shine the torch over here.
Look carefully. Where are they?
A tractor?
It's a kitten.
Huh?
Ah! Shh! Come on, little one. We won't harm you.
A kitten.
Scoop has decided to give the kitten some milk.
Ah.
What a relief that the rustler was small and furry, not big and scary. Lefty and Scoop, robots and Leia, having a lot of fun.
Who's the fastest one?
They build the cars that are so good. Wheel, motor, and hood. Who brings the parts? It's Leo. Leo the truck. Leo. Leo the truck. It's summer. The sun is shining brightly in the sky. Leo and Lifty are going down the road. Oh, Lifty seems tired.
It's hot.
Then let's go a bit quicker.
Quicker?
Oh, if you go quicker,
Woohoo!
you'll get even hotter. The friends have reached Scoop's house. Hello, Scoop.
Hello.
Can we also have some ice cream, please?
Of course, Scoop is very kind. He always shares with his friends.
Oh? It's all gone now.
Oh. Huh?
Look, the robots are splashing each other with water.
Huh?
Splash me! Splash me! And what if we made a water coaster?
What?
What?
Like a roller coaster, but with water.
A brilliant idea. You'd go down the ramp and land right in water.
Where are they off to now? We're building a water coaster.
The cars are taking the parts to build the water coaster to the amusement park.
Woohoo! Done! I was first!
Not true.
Here are all the parts for the water coaster.
Let's build it then.
But first, we need to remove the rails.
The robots really want to help too. It's quite difficult. Try it again. Has the purple robot really managed to do it? Oh! It's the red robot lifting the rails with the crane. Well done. Scoop is digging a ditch. They need to place the parts for the pool into the ditch. All done. Leia's putting together the parts for the track. These are the arches the rafts will come through. A lever and a valve to control the water supply.
Robot, turn on the water.
Hooray! It worked! The pool is filling with water. The robots have already taken their seats in the carts.
This is a water coaster.
Those carts won't do. The cars have decided to put together some rafts. They've gone to the junkyard to find the parts they need. Scoop, what's that? Oh, careful, robots. Let's see what we can use. Scoop's found a wooden board. The robots found a plane. Lifty's found some seats. And that's the raft. It looks great.
The pool is all filled up now.
We're switching the carts for rafts.
Hey, wait for me! I'm going first.
Everyone strapped in?
Not everyone.
Robot!
Go! Lifty, are you not going in?
No, I don't want to get wet.
The rafts are going up the ramp. And quickly going down again. A loop-the-loop. And another. And the pool.
I guess it's not so hot now.
Can we go together?
Okay, let's go.
The robot is starting the ride. The cars are setting off. What a wonderful water coaster they've made.